Do you know what the inside layout of this beautiful tiny house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is the width is 13 feet in meter 4 meter and the length is 13 feet in meter 4 meter. In the front we have sliding door here. After that we'll go inside. So on the right side we have kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also on the left side we have dining counter with 2 chairs and a large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. And if we go on the left side, so in the first we have library section here, and if we go inside, so we have living area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, TV unit on the front wall and a single bed, and on the right side we have common use washroom plus water closet. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house designs, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.